Pero merong proposal from Rene Luis Co, one of the youngest lawyers and lawyer congressman in Congress right now. Si Attorney Rene Luis Co and Antonio Tino. So here, notice na lang. Ang gusto nila, notice na lang talaga. Okay? Hindi na sila hihingi ng permit kay Mayor. Kasi, to be honest, mas maganda to. Okay? Minsan kasi yung Mayor, what if? Hindi mo kasi matansya yung Mayor eh. Mayor yan eh. Baka may Mayor na, kung Mayor Vico, okay. Eh what if may topak sa ulo? Or masyadong narrow-minded, he doesn't believe in free speech. Mas maganda itong notice regime natin. Okay? Notification na lang. This is House Bill number 4574. So a person or group who intends to organize in a public place with shall serve a notice to the city mayor. Hello Mayor, mag-rally kami.